How are you all doing today? Today is a special day for our family. Today is my hubby's birthday. So I thought I will show something which is his favorite snack. I didn't want to make the typical cake because he has already cut the cake. So here I am going to show you cinnamon yummy rolls. Wow, doesn't it sound good? But cinnamon roll is time consuming dish, but you are watching Spoonful Easy Cooking, so I'm going to show you a very simple way to make cinnamon rolls. Whenever you have the cravings, follow this method. I will definitely show you the authentic cinnamon rolls also later on, but here you can watch the easy way. So let me get started. Here I've taken a mixing bowl in which the ingredients, you please watch my description box. You can see all the ingredients I have mentioned in the description box. 1 egg I'm taking here. Here we go. And to this we add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here we go, 2 tablespoons. And let us whisk it. To this we add a half teaspoon of, not half teaspoon, kind of 2 pinches of salt. Now I've taken refined flour here, that is 1.5 cups of refined flour. So we shall sieve it. I've just kept it measured. Now to this what we have to add is baking powder. We are making instant cinnamon powder, cinnamon rolls. So here we take the baking powder, that is 1 teaspoon, and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, this is half teaspoon. Yes. Now let us sieve this and put it into this egg mixture. When you make the authentic way of cinnamon rolls, it is little time consuming. It takes approximately 2 to 4 hours if you really need that yummy and authentic way of cinnamon rolls. So now let us stir this to combine it well, and we are going to make a nice dough out of it. Now to this we add lukewarm milk into this. So in lukewarm milk can be according to the consistency. Let's slowly add the milk, and along with the milk let's add the melted butter too. I have melted and kept the butter. We will take 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Here we go, 1, and this is 2 tablespoons of melted butter to it, and give a nice stir and make a dough out of it. So our dough is almost getting ready. It needs to be very soft and slightly sticky dough. So I've just taken less than half of milk for 1.5 cups of refined flour. So you can adjust the milk quantity accordingly. So here is our sticky dough. See, this is fine. And what we have to do is, with both the hands, make a nice round this way. Let's fold it inside this way. Wow. So our cinnamon dough is ready. Now by the time this rests for 2 to 3 minutes, let us start with our filling. I'll show you how to make the filling. Now for the filling, take a bowl and let's add brown sugar, 3 tablespoons. Yeah, I'm just adding 3.5, and let's add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Let's mix it well, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Nice aroma. Here goes 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix this granulated mixture very well. To this, we add a 1/2 teaspoon of melted butter. That's it. So our filling is ready. Let's keep this aside. Now I've taken here a chopping board. Let's just add a little flour and our dough. Let's divide the dough into 2. Just dust it, and let's try to roll it into a square or a rectangle shape. Don't make it too thin. This is fine. Just do this little this side. And see this thickness. We need this much thickness. Don't make it too thin. Equal. Okay, try to make it this also. Let us even all the sides. Yes, this is fine. With our hand, let us adjust this way. Let us tap. Now we add, let's take a brush and spread melted butter on it. This is the way. To this we add our mixture of cinnamon and brown sugar. You can use your hand as well to spread it evenly this way. Evenly you can spread it. Take rest of the mixture. Just to show my viewers, I am making only one portion so that you get an idea. Rest you can do the same way. Yes, this is done. Now we will roll this. Let us roll it. Yes, let us roll it. Roll, 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 roll. Roll it little tight so that the mixture is in the dough itself. It is intact in the dough. So this way, and make sure it is not stuck to the wooden thing, and just give a roll this way with gentle hand. Now take a knife and make this way. Divide into equal slices. Done. Here the twist is, I'm taking small bowls like this. The traditional way is put it in a baking dish and do it. But here I am showing a shortcut to it. So do this do this into the bowls. Doesn't this look good? Here is the other one. Let's do this and just take the melted butter and glaze on it.
This is my Papa's favorite.
Yeah, this is Papa's favorite snack, so we are trying to make this. Now what we do is, we'll take this into the microwave and place it. All of them go into the microwave and let's microwave for high power 2 minutes. So by the time our cinnamon rolls is getting ready, let's make the glaze on top of that. Here I have taken the shortcut method. I have taken some condensed milk and little of lukewarm milk into it. And here we go, little vanilla essence. A drop of vanilla essence is enough. And let's make it. Yes, the kitchen is having full of aroma. I think it's ready. The glaze is ready over here. Just give a spoon. Please check my description box. The traditional method of making the cinnamon roll and the glaze, everything I shall give you the recipe down. So check that. If you have a lot of time, if you have patience, to try the traditional way of making cinnamon roll. Yes, I think our cinnamon roll is calling us. It's ready. Take care of your hand. I can handle it, but still, when you take it out, it's ready. Onto this, we add the glaze.
Wow, Mama, I can't wait to have it. It looks so delicious.
It's ready, baby. This episode is dedicated to my hubby. If he feels like having, please do try. This is a simple way of making the cinnamon roll. So happy birthday to my hubby. And here is the easy way of making cinnamon rolls. Do try it and do let me know how it turned out in your home. Till then, bye from Preeti.
Bye-bye.